Hello everyone, my name is Mirza. Today, I want to talk about one of the most pressing environmental issues of our time, that is plastic pollution. Every year, 8 million tons of plastic enter our oceans. This is not just a problem we see when we visiting the beach, it's just the tip of the iceberg. Plastic is entering our ocean at an alarming rate and unfortunately is there to stay. The main source of this plastic pollution is single-use plastic items like plastic bags, bottles, straws, and packaging that are used once and then thrown away. There is a shocking truth. Plastic fragments but never really goes away. Instead, it breaks down into smaller and smaller pieces called microplastic. We've now produced enough plastic to wrap the entire world thousands of times over. This mass production on an industrial scale had created an addition to plastic that threatens our planet's future. The impact of marine life, the consequences are devastating. Every year, hundreds of thousands of marine creatures and millions of birds die because of the plastic pollution. They die through entanglement in plastic waste, injury from sharp plastic pieces, drowning because they can't surface, ingestion of plastic they mistake for food. Currently, one third of all fish we eat and 90% of all seabirds have ingested plastic. This means plastic is not just killing marine life, it's entering our food chain. The microplastic threat to human health, there is something that should worry us all. Even the fish we eat might contain microplastic, which can be harmful to our health. Microplastics are now found everywhere in our oceans, rivers, soil, and even in the air we breathe. For those of us in Indonesia, this is particularly relevant. In Indonesia is the second largest contributor of plastic waste in the ocean. Every year, Indonesia produces around 8 million tons of plastic waste, and most of it comes from Java. The problem is only 3 million tons are properly managed, while the other 5 million tons are not handled well. This plastic pollutes our land, water, rivers, and oceans. What can we do? The good news is that we can still make a difference. There are solutions from both individual and systemic levels. For the individual actions, we can reduce single-use plastic, bring your own bag, bottle, and anything. What can we bring? The second, use plastic alternative whatever possible. The third, recycle properly and dispose of waste responsibly. And the last one, participate in clear up activities in your community. And for systemic change, we can try companies must ban single-use plastic packaging. We must eliminate unnecessary plastic and redesign products for reuse, repair, and reprocess. We must break the habit today if we can a future free of plastic pollution. So, plastic pollution is one of the most urgent environmental problems today, affecting wildfire, oceans, and communities worldwide. We've seen its impact, and now it's time to take action. Every action matters. By changing our habits and pushing for systemic change, we can help protect our earth. Every piece of plastic had its own story, and often is strong about its harmful impact, not just messing up our planet but also our futures. Let's be part of the change. Together we can turn the tide against plastic pollution and create a clear, healthy planet for future generations. Maybe that's all, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.